Hello, and welcome to Friday Shorts with Envision Healthy Retirement. Exciting news for Connecticut residents. Improvements to long-term care industry are finally here. If you or someone you care about lives in Connecticut, you'll be pleased to hear about the recent developments in the long-term care industry. In the September 2023 AARP Bulletin, it highlights new laws that enhance nursing homes accountability. And Jane Gariby, a dedicated Connecticut state representative, and also she's co-chair of the General Assembly's Aging Committee, has brought attention to the alarming nursing home complaints from her constituents. And we've all seen these heart-wrenching stories on the news. But when it hits close to home, the impact is even greater. And while there are undoubtedly quality providers out there, finding the right home for our loved ones can be challenging. And that's why Gariby emphasizes the need for transparency. And currently, consumers looking at nursing homes have no way of knowing about the financial nor corporate structure. However, with this new law, nursing homes will be required to provide easily accessible financial information, which then will be posted on the Department of Social Services website starting in 2024. And furthermore, these requirements include disclosing ownership by a private equity firm or real estate investment company, and report any involuntary patient discharges to the Connecticut State Long-Term Care Ombudsman. And as someone with personal experience in long-term care selection as power of attorney, I've seen what was once considered a quality provider quickly unravel, resulting in mandatory executive removals and, in other cases, facility closures across multiple states. And it's truly a nightmare from every perspective. And that's why I want to express my gratitude to the state of Connecticut for prioritizing consumer information and, more importantly, the well-being of our loved ones. We all deserve the best care possible. I'm Nancy Schwartz, and if this short intrigued you about your health and retirement, I invite you to schedule a call with me. Let's work together to ensure a bright future for you. Click on the link below and book a complimentary call. Wishing you a great weekend. And again, thank you for listening to Friday Shorts. Have a super evening.